Hi, I'm Chen from KMED. Let me show you how we assemble Scalp V-sets for medical use. The tubing is firmly connected to the hub to ensure a leak-free and reliable fluid path. The soft wings are assembled to provide stable positioning and ease of use during venipuncture. Each assembled Scalp V-set undergoes visual inspection and basic functional checks. This is how we ensure stable quality and efficient assembly of Scalp V-sets for large-scale production. Please feel free to contact us for any questions.